Good morning, students. Today we will discuss our chapter number 10, Measures of Central Tendency, Median and Mode. And students, today our topic is how to calculate median in individual series. So this is our 24th lecture. So let's start. So yes, students. So now we will discuss meaning of positional average. So students, in the previous chapter we discussed the concept of simple arithmetic mean and weighted mean, which are mathematical in nature. You know that. So such mathematical averages deals with those characteristics of a data set which can be directly measured quantitatively. However, at times we need to measure qualitative characteristics of a distribution. So in such cases, the other measures of the central tendency are positional average. So now we will discuss the meaning of positional average. So students, positional average determines the position of the variables in the series. Okay, एक सीरीज में वेरिएबल्स की पोजीशन को ये बताता है, डिटरमिन करता है, एंड द पोजिशनल एवरेजेस have nothing to do with the sum of the values of the variables. So as a result, they are least affected by the extreme items of the series. Okay, so now students, in a statistical series, there may be a value which is centrally located or which occurs most frequently in the series. So this is known as central value of the series. ओके, मतलब कि एक स्टैटिकल सीरीज के अंदर क्या होता है कि कोई भी वैल्यू जो है वो सेंट्रली लोकेटेड हो सकती है या उस सीरीज में वो मोस्ट फ्रीक्वेंटली होती है. सो इनको हम क्या बोलते हैं, इन्हें हम क्या क्या कहते हैं, एक सीरीज की सेंट्रल वैल्यूज. एंड फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ 5 फ्रेंड्स वॉच 5, 10, 15, 20 and 30 movies respectively, okay, and in a month, so then 15 is the central value of the series. So take another example. Suppose 80 out of 100 customers visiting a shoe shop buy shoes of size 8. Then 8 occurs most frequently in a series of 100 observations. अब 100 कस्टमर आए, उनमें से 100 में से आउट ऑफ 80 जो कस्टमर्स हैं उन्होंने किस चीज़ के 8 नंबर के शूज़ जो हैं उन्होंने खरीदे. तो 100 में से कितने की मोस्ट फ्रिक्वेंटली सीरीज क्या हो गई, इस सीरीज के अंदर मोस्ट फ्रिक्वेंटली क्या हो गया, 8. So accordingly 8 will be taken as the central value of the series. So in the first example, 15 is the central value and it is positioned somewhere in the middle of the series. However, it is called median value. इसे हम क्या बोलेंगे, median value. ये सीरीज के मिड में जो है, मिड में है ये, तो इसलिए median value है. And in the second example, 8 happens to occur most frequently in the series, 80 times out of 100. So hence it is called modal value. तो इसे हम क्या बोलेंगे, modal value. So median and mode are the most important positional averages, and these are called positional averages because their value is worked out on the basis of their position in the statistical series. So there are other positional averages as well as indicated in the following flow chart. So students, yes, positional averages. So it is divided into three parts: median, partition value, and mode. Then partition value, now it is divided into three parts: quartile, decile, and percentile. So the present chapter focuses only on median and mode in accordance with the CBSE guidelines. So a very lucid references is made to the estimation of partition value, quartile, decile and percentile, as their knowledge would help understand the estimation of partition value in general. So students, in brief, reference to quartile is also given, as its knowledge is important to the concept of quartile deviation discussed in the next chapter. Now moving on next slide. Yes students, so now we will discuss median. So median may be defined as the middle value in the data. Middle value in the data set when its elements are arranged in a sequential order, that is in either ascending or descending order ऑफ मैग्नीट्यूड. ये स्टूडेंट्स जब भी हम मीडियन निकालेंगे ना, तो मीडियन के लिए क्या करना होगा, अगर हमारे पास जो सीरीज गिवन है तो उस सीरीज को हमें असेंडिंग या डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में पहले उसे अरेंज करना होगा. सो इट्स वैल्यू इज सो लोकेटेड इन अ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन दैट इज डिवाइडेड इन इट इन हाफ with 50% item below it and 50% above it. So it concentrates on the middle or center of a distribution. Second, median is that positional value of the variable which divides the distribution into two equal parts. One part comprises all values greater than or equal to median value, and the other part comprises all values less than or equal to it. Okay. So students, median is a centrally located value of a series, okay, such that half of the values of the series are above it and the other half below it. For example, if median height of the student of a class is to be determined, so all the students may be asked to stand in the increasing or decreasing order of their heights. So the students figuring in the middle would be taken as the central item of the series. So height of the student would be taken as median height of the students, representing the whole set of students. So our notable point is that the number of values above the central value should be equal to number of values below it. Mid value is thus called median. Okay. So according to Corner, the median is that value of the variable which divides the group into two equal parts. One part comprising all value greater than the median value and the other part comprising all the values smaller than the median value. Now we will discuss how to find the median value. हम मीडियन वैल्यू को कैसे फाइंड कर सकते हैं. So students, in statistics, median is indicated by M, capital M. And in order to locate the median value, all items of a series are arranged in either the ascending order or descending order. So in ascending order, higher values follow the lower values, and in descending order, lower values follow the higher values. I think you know very well about this ascending and descending order. So the median value is located using the following formula. Yes students, so formula of median. Median M is equal to size of n plus 1 by 2th item. Here M is equal to median, N is equal to number of items. So let's learn the application of this formula taking different types of statistical series. Yes students, so here median can be calculated in following types of distributions. First is individual series, second discrete series, and third continuous series. So today we will discuss only individual series. So methods of calculating median for ungrouped or and grouped data. So methods of so following discussion offers detail of the various methods used for calculation of median in case of ungrouped data and grouped data separately. So calculation of median in case of ungrouped data, you can say individual series. So calculation of median in case of ungrouped data involves the following steps. So first step is arrange all the values of different items of a series in ascending or descending order. ये स्टूडेंट्स ये अपने माइंड में रखना है कि जब हमारे पास इंडिविजुअल सीरीज गिवन होती है तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमें क्या करना है, हमें अपनी सारी वैल्यूज़ को जो हमारी सीरीज में गिवन है उनको पहले हमें अरेंज करना है असेंडिंग और डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में. Now the second step is add up the number of items. ओके हम जितने हमारी आइटम्स हैं उनका एड अप करेंगे, नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स को ऐड करेंगे एंड इंडिकेटेड बाय एन, और उससे किससे इंडिकेट करेंगे, कैपिटल एन. So find out the median item as n plus 1 by 2th item, that is median is equal to size of n plus 1 by 2th item. Here m is equal to median, n is equal to number of items. Now the third step is if n of series happens to be an odd number, अगर मान लो नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स जो है सीरीज में वो ओड नंबर्स हैं, तो दैट इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 2. सो इट इज इजियर टू फाइंड आउट मीडियन. अगर मान लो आपको यू नो दैट अगर ये ओड नंबर है तो इट मीन्स कि ये 2 से डिवाइड नहीं होगा. तो वहाँ पर मीडियन को फाइंड आउट करना बहुत ईजी है विद द हेल्प ऑफ द अबव फॉर्मूला. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ द सीरीज इज 4 5 6 7 8, so yes number of items are 1 2 3 4 5. ठीक है, ये 5 आइटम्स हैं, ओड नंबर्स हैं. सो देन मीडियन विल बी 5. यस मीडियन विल बी साइज ऑफ n plus 1 by 2th item. So 5 plus 1 by 2th item. 5 plus 1 by 2th item means 6 by 2th item, and 6 by 2th item means third item. So in our series 4 5 6 7 8, yes third item is 6. So 6 is our median. Okay, so third item that is equal to 6. So 6 is our median. So now if n of series happens to be an even number, लेकिन अगर हमारे जो नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स हैं सीरीज में वो इवन नंबर्स, इवन नंबर मीन्स इवन नंबर जो 2 से डिवाइड हो जाए, तो n plus 1 by 2 विल कम इन फ्रैक्शन. तो हमारे पास जो n plus 1 by 2 होगा वो किस में आएगा, फ्रैक्शंस में आ जाएगा. सो दस इफ द सीरीज इज 4 10 12 एंड 18, 1 2 3 4 4 नंबर्स हैं, सो 4 नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स 4 हैं. सो देन द n plus 1 by 2 वुड नॉट बी अ कंप्लीट नंबर. सो n plus 1 by 2 हमारा कंप्लीट नंबर नहीं होगा, बट इट वुड बी like 2.5 2.5th value. So in such cases median value would be the arithmetic mean of the two middle values of the series. So thus median value or the size of 2.5th item would be located as under. So moving on next. Yes students, so median is equal to 2.5th item आया था ना हमारा. So size of second item plus size of third item divided by 2. Okay, so is equal to size of 2.5th item. Size of second item plus size of third item divided by 2. So now the size of second item is 10 and size of third item is 12. So 10 plus 12 by 2 is equal to 22 by 2, that is 11. So median, so the median we get median is equal to 11. Okay. So by this process we can calculate the median. By this formula we can calculate the median. So so students, when n of the series is an even number, so median is estimating using the following formula: size of n by 2th item plus size of n by 2 plus 1th item by 2. So we can use this formula. So now take an example. The following series show marks in economics of 11 students of class plus 1. Find the median marks. So marks is equal to 17, 32, 35, 33, 15, 21, 41, 32, 11, 10, 20. So students, first of all, we arrange it in ascending or descending order. So first of all, we arrange it in ascending order. So in ascending order, yes, first we can write 10, then 11, then 15, 17, 20, 21, 32, 32, 33, 35 and 41. And the number of items are 11. Okay. So now, yes, in descending order. So first of all we write the highest value. So 41, then 35, 33, 32, again 32, 21, 20, 17, 15, 11 and 10. And number of items is equal to 11. So now putting the formula. Yes students, so you know that the formula is median is equal to size of n plus 1 by 2th item in individual series. So size of, yes, number of items are given 11. So size of 11 plus 1 by 2th item is equal to size of 6th item. 12 by 2, 6th item, and that is 21. So now our median is equal to 21. So students, so by this process we calculate the median in individual series. So I think it is clear now. So in our next lecture, we discuss the discrete series, how to calculate the median in discrete series. So that's all for today. Have a good day.